In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your dorsiflexion, and we're going to be doing this in a seated position for this demonstration. So firstly, what is dorsiflexion? So if I was to point the foot away from me, so point it down, that is plantarflexion, and we're doing the opposite, which must mean pointing the foot and the ankle towards or closer to my body. So in this position, in this seated position, I want you to have your feet at hip width apart with both of your feet like train tracks pointing directly forwards. From here, I'm going to keep my heels in contact with the floor, and I'm going to bring my midfoot and also my toes and my forefoot off the floor. That looks like this, so I'm pointing up. I'm going to hold for a split second before slowly coming down. Nice and quick on the way up. Hold the position and slow on the way down. I would most commonly use this for ankle rehabs, and it's a fantastic exercise for those to be able to rehabilitate their ankle dorsiflexion. That's how to work your active dorsiflexion in a seated position. You'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions